We can understand what's the actual problem faced in a practical situation and solve. We want to, at the same time, we want to show that, okay, how a user-centric perspective of it, the way I gave you. I would like to browse and retrieve images, image, news, video, highlights very easily. So this is something we kept in mind when we started design. How did we do it? We just did a capture of the continuous video data coming from a dish TV. A dish TV connection, we just capture one of these. So we build a video database by just capturing them. So many of these dish connections also allow you to program it such that you can select the channels of interest and you can select the broadcast of interest, and so you can actually capture. Unfortunately, we don't have 200 capture cards. So we have only one capture card, so we capture 24 hours of video every day. But 24 hours from various channels. Primarily news broadcast on the news channel. So we capture video data and it stores. But that doesn't solve our problem because this is not what user is looking at. Now you have raw video data. If you look at the most useless top videos of the news broadcast is advertising. And I think it's around 20-25%. I don't have exact number with me. It's around 20-25% the news time is, or video time is going in advertising. So let us remove them. Because we are interested in information retrieval, we just remove them, remove the advertisements. Okay, so the data storage reduces and data gets segmented into news blocks. I'll come back to how the advertisements can be removed at later stage in a slightly different context. So we remove the advertisements. And so that you can read the text. Can you read it from there? So this says capture and storage, this says advertisement and retrieval. Then now you have a video clip. So between two advertisements you have videos now. You have stories or news broadcasts available. This we segment into shorts. Short segmentation is a straightforward task because you can look at the frame differences and decide where the video changes the camera. Like I take one shot where somebody speaks, then it moves to somebody else speaking about it, then comes back to this person, shows some other clip. So we segment into shorts. And then we identify keyframe for everything. Most of the time, for you to know whether the news is useful or not, you need only a keyframe visual. So we identify keyframe corresponding to every shot. Now we have shorts and keyframes. So now you have a browsable summary of this video. This video clip is browsed like this. Every part of it can be randomly accessed now. I can click here and play this video. I know that okay, what is going to be in this video. I have a larger context. So this allows us to group them to provide a browsable description of the news broadcast. Now you have video array as an array of shots. But this is not the end of it. So now this is not enough because if you carefully see, there is this anchor person who comes and speaks again and again whenever a news story is. So we capture the anchor person and say that, okay, look at this, these are different stories. There is one story, there is another story, there is another story, there is another story. So now you have a summary of the stories in the whole channels. It goes. Then what we do? We compute feature extraction, efficient indexing, and IRN delivery. So this is where the video retrieval part comes. So we built a video database now. So this database has broadcast video captured 24/7 and advertisements removed, stories separated, and now you have a system which allows you to see. So this is a way of browsing. So I have a web page, the delivery is through web. What the web page does? Web page says that we are recorded from so and so channel, the metadata available about the record, and the keyframes associated with it. Recorded from some other channel, keyframes associated with that. So I can actually now go and see what I want to see about each one. And now if I am interested in seeing this video, I can play that video specifically. So I can So the whole video, if you look at 24/7 broadcast in 10 channels, it has 100 or around 100 stories. That's all. 100 stories can be presented in 5 web pages or 10 web pages. So the digestion time for a 24-hour news or one full day news in 5 channels is strictly browsing